we're playing Insane Elevator with my brother right here. Say hi. Okay, so guys, I'm definitely not gonna scream at my brother this time because he's just a nice little boy. Oh my god. I don't know. I'm glitching out too. Okay, come on. Why does this look like my house, bro? Nah, just the killer right there, bro. Go back. I'm going straight back to the elevator. Oh hell no. He's gonna just jump with us right now. I for real feel like that. Oh heck no! Why, bro? Coming over here, bro. Why coming over here? Nah, that's just creepy. That's just mad creepy, bro. Oh heck nah. Where's my coal, bro? I can't run. I can't run, bro. Why is it so black, bro? Come on.